Hi, I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like the content and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I want to talk about Kucoin. Not many people know about Kucoin. It's been under the radar, even though it's been getting more and more popular. I opened up a Kucoin account in 2017. I absolutely love the user experience. I love the way the website looks. I love how it operates. It has some unique things compared to Binance, and it's awesome. I will put a referral link in the description below so you can click on it and see what's going on with Kucoin. Now, why am I talking about Kucoin? Well, I have 5 coins that I think are going to do very, very well. 10, 20, 30x at least. I believe they're going to make some massive gains, and I'm ready to put about 10K of my money into these 5 coins. I'm ready to put 10K of my money into about 5 of these coins, 2 grand in each of them, and we're going to get ready to rock and roll. I've already started to accumulate these coins, and a lot of people on my Patreon have already made a little bit of gains, but I think there's way more to come. So let's get into the top 5 coins on Kucoin. One thing I have to disclose about this video is I started shooting it about 3 to 4 days ago, and it took me a while to get through it. I apologize for that. These are still good gems. These are still great gems, and definitely check out the TA. You will still learn a great deal about charting from this video. So that's why I chose to keep it moving. The first coin I want to talk about is Trios token. That's right, Trios token. It was a $10 million market cap when we first started showing it to you guys about 2 weeks ago on the live stream. Now it's a $28 million market cap, $14, and it went up 45% today. It was at $10 when I looked at it earlier today, and boom, 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 Trios token continues to make a move. It's number 734 in the coin rankings. Let's take a look at their website. Let's see what they do. Trios, trustworthy, reliable, intelligent, autonomous systems. An all-platform supported server, PC, mobile, IoT, etc., Internet of Things, native application compatible smart contract execution platform. Trios aims to define a new generation, all-platform supported public chain system. Trustworthy and reliable, intelligent, autonomous. Systems make people trust in machines. With a fine and delicate design, a talented and solid team with top-notch academic and industrial background, a complex of enterprise products and solutions, and a sophisticated and sustainable token economy, Trios is fueling industrial clients' innovation globally. This is really the problem with the world now. You have your ID in one place, you have your email in another, social media. We could combine all these things, the Internet of Things. You could have one device, one app that could do all these things and integrate with everything around it. I want to book my flight, send a text, and watch a movie all on the same app, all in a decentralized manner. Here's another reason why I'd invest in them. They have 40 plus patents pending. They're not just an innovative cryptocurrency, they're also making patents. It's a big deal right here for Trios. It has an amazing architecture. It's made up of 3 layers: Leviathan, Prometheus, and Magcarta. Let me talk about what each layer does. Now, Leviathan is interesting. It's an integration of what's called TEEs. What is a TEE? It's a trusted execution environment. Basically, an automated system that we know will do what it does over and over again and creates a world inside of that system that we can trust. Like, these things will happen inside of this environment if we do this. Then there's Prometheus. It's a combination of formal verification and DevSecOps to achieve traceable and verifiable all-purpose software development. Pretty cool. And then Magcarta is a consensus-oriented programming paradigm to achieve embedded and self-defined consensus strategies for high-order enterprise dApps, man. Then there's Trios Force. What is that? It's a decentralized SaaS, okay, that ensures that the trustworthiness of the underlying software, man. Now, here's the chart for Trios. You could see it had a bull, pumped, did the handle, pumped hard the last 2 days. Really, really hard. I was putting it on everybody's radar on my channel. We were talking about it. I put a call out for it right here at about $3. We put another call here at about $6, and this thing continued to rip. Would I get in right now? No, it's a little hot, obviously. We'd wait for a bit of a pullback. It's very, very high. I'd wait for it to come back down. Let's pull a Fibonacci on this on the 4-hour. I'm going to pull a fib from this low to this high, and I believe Trios can come all the way back to 892, and we could get back in at the 618. At the very least, I would look for a limit order here at the 382 at about 11. Amazing project. I think it's great. So definitely wait for that pullback to get back in. Don't chase green candles. Okay, guys? Please don't. But I really like this project. I think it's beautiful. Wait for a pullback to get back in. That's the TA. That is Trias. On to the next coin. The second coin on my radar is Strong. That's right, StrongBlock.io. Let's take a look at StrongBlock. It's down 4% today, 150. Market cap's only 23 million. It's on Kucoin, baby. Let's take a look. Number 812 in the rankings as well. StrongBlock, rewards for nodes, make blockchain stronger, get rewarded, be involved. StrongBlock Flash Player, overview. StrongBlock is the first and only blockchain agnostic protocol to reward nodes for supporting the infrastructure of their blockchain. Why incentivize nodes? Well, with limited resources and no financial incentive, many nodes run out of date software, maintain incomplete blockchain histories, and are intermittently offline. There is no easy mechanism to fix this problem once a blockchain is launched. To solve this, StrongBlock has made it possible for anyone to create a node in seconds, or add their own node, and receive strong token rewards every day. Now you might ask, what is a node? Let's answer that question for you right now. So blockchain node providers and how they work. Blockchain nodes store complete copy of the distributed ledger and are responsible for the reliability of the stored data. Nodes are used by developers for building blockchain-based applications. When it comes to the deployment of a full blockchain node, hardware, software, and network connection must satisfy certain requirements. StrongBlock incentivizes nodes. It gives them rewards for doing the right thing and keeping them compliant. I think this is a good idea. That's why it's called StrongBlock. It keeps all the blockchains strong. Taking a look at its StrongBlock on the chart right here, Strong USDT on Kucoin, it has a bit of a double bottom, breaking to the upside, but will it get rejected by the top trend line? I want to see. If it doesn't, it should come back down into my buy box right here, which I'm waiting for it. Accumulate strong here. If you can catch the bullish divergence with the wick here, that is ideal. So that's what we're going to look for. Bullish divergence on a wick into the buy box. If not, and it breaks on out, I'm going to look for the retest of this top trend line. Either way, I see Strong going up 175% and getting all the way to $300 a coin in about a month and a half or less. So Strong, baby, strong. It's about to do big things, and I like the project on Kucoin. The next coin is Silo, sitting at $25 million market cap, a little less than a penny as well, down 12% today. Let's take a look at what Silo does, ranked number 778 in the crypto space. The Silo network, run by anyone, not by one big company. The overview. The Silo network is a decentralized communication and storage network with performance and scalability to support millions of users. Applications use the network for decentralized private communication, storage, and micropayments. So instead of using a centralized infrastructure, Silo users create the decentralized Silo network together by running a Silo node software on their own computers. Now, when you run a Silo node, users get paid in the Silo token in exchange for their device automatically providing critical services to the network. The Silo community will bring to the world what centralized platforms were unable to do and what actually hindered us. We want to have real privacy, and we want there to be a level playing field. Silo also uses the Signal protocol for chat messages for forward secrecy, which means even if one message is compromised, nothing else is. Each message is encrypted with new keys. It's pretty interesting. That's pretty high tech, right? There's no central point of failure. The Silo community members can choose to run Silo nodes. Silo nodes operate stake Silo tokens as collateral to ensure that they act honestly and fairly. The act of staking them announces their presence as infrastructure contributors to the network. The act of staking the Silo token lets the network know that you are a contributor to the network. This thing is awesome, man. Layer 2 micropayments. It has many use cases: communication, storage, and micropayments, and also build your own. Build your own decentralized communication, storage, or micropayment application for your very own business. It's pretty cool, man. I like it a lot. If you haven't got bit by this, if you don't think this is amazing, I don't know what to tell you. Silo's hot right now, and at the price, Let's take a look at Silo. Now, I had originally given a call when Silo was up here. Just like I think Strong will come back down to the bottom of the pattern and we can get back in. That was the call. We did. It bounced, hit my target for an 88% gain like that. It happened in about 2 days from the call. It was really sweet. Let me erase my old work. Let's see what's going on with Silo and find out when a good time to get into Silo is. Well, it pumped and it came almost all the way back down into the pattern in a way. So to me, that may be the retest right back to the top trend line. One thing I urge my students to look for, and I use for confirmation, is the 200-day moving average near the bottom of the pattern. Whenever I see that, it's a place to start getting in. So we broke on out. We had our nice pump. We came back down to previous support. So now we do support and resistance lines here to see where the price would come and go. So the price stopped here, bounced up. Price would stop here, bounce up, and then it would make it to these wicks where it would get rejected. We came back down, broke through that rejection point, which could have been support, and now we seem to be holding support here with the 21-day moving average. That tells me that could be a good sign to get into the trade. Let's look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is also very oversold, as well as the 4 hour. This is a great sign. I also see we're in a bit of a falling wedge here, and we're touching what? The 200-day moving average on the 1 hour. It doesn't matter if it's the 1 hour or the 4 hour, either way, this is always a good sign and a catalyst of a break to the upside. I also have a bit of a swing up here in price, which is from this high to this high, and then I have a swing down here, which is hidden bullish divergence, as well as a move up here on the MACD, and also falling price with falling volume tells me that there will be a reversal. So from where Silo is right now, I see it going all the way up to about a penny and 7/10 of a penny from its 9/10 of a penny price. A nice 78% gains coming out of Silo. And once you're in there, you can ride it even more. I believe there's way more to come for these small cap gems. The next coin on my list is Safe Haven, coming in at a penny, right? $47 million market cap. All of these are under $50 million market caps and ready to rock. Safe Haven, number 577 in the ranking, just breaching a penny. Let's take a look at Safe Haven. Safe Haven, building financial asset management and inheritance solutions on the blockchain. Our vision. Safe Haven Foundation is a decentralized B2B2C platform which supports companies and blockchain projects, aiding their expansion within their verticals. We will open our platform and teach solutions to the community, developers, entrepreneurs, inheritance, trust professionals, and existing financial services companies. What we do: asset management, financial technology, and product engineering. Now, I can't get a lot of information. The site kind of glosses things over a little bit. What I do feel is they're more like what we see now in finance on the blockchain. They kind of seem like they're breaching between like conservative finance that we see today and moving forward with blockchain technology. I like how they mention inheritance. I haven't heard that a lot on the blockchain. It would be pretty cool to be able to just send someone's inheritance right to somebody else via blockchain. Maybe you could set up a will on the blockchain, and the second you pass, something happens, they scan a death certificate or something like that. And then once that's scanned, boom, the money goes right to the people who were supposed to inherit it. Pretty easy. Inheritance should be far easier than it is. I heard so many people taking so long to get their inheritance, years sometimes, and that's insane. You're already dealing with the pain of a lost loved one. You don't want to do paperwork and go through red tape just to get what is yours. Now, of all the coins I'm talking about, this one is the weakest link as far as the project. I can't find out as much as I want about it, and the website is a little lacking. But if they could do what they say they're going to do, and it makes sense, I believe in it. Now, speaking speculatively, this is $47 million. We could easily see it at $500 million and 10xing up to 10 cents. I don't think that's going to be hard to do at all for Safe Haven. So look out for Safe Haven to make some waves and go up to 10 cents. Now, this was another call I gave on my channel to my Patreons. We are up 38% already on the call, but I believe way more is coming. Look for it to break this previous high at about 12325, and then it's going to come back down and do a bit of a retest. You can see Safe Haven is in a bit of this cup with a handle right here. These break out parabolically, and I see a target all the way up here at about 2.5. From where it's at right now, I believe we can get gains of 150%. This thing is also only a penny, so it can get to 10 cents real easily. I see it getting all the way up to about 2.5 cents not too long from now as it breaks out of this cup and handle and continues to the upside. From where it is now, it's actually in a pretty good buy zone. I had it in this buy zone, it popped, but this is still a viable place to enter the trade. Watch Shaw. If you like to make 150%, I believe it's coming. Now, the last coin I want to talk about is DAC, D-A-C-C. This is only $3 million market cap. This is the most high-risk play, but it's the newest one that I found out about. Now, look at this one. If this is a penny and that's a penny, and we round up, it's about 300th of a penny. That's crazy. It's number 438. Let's see what DAC really does. DAC DAO, the next generation of DeFi DEX protocol. DAO, KNC, SNX on the Tron ecosystem. DAC DAO is an upgrade of DAC 1.0 and DAC, which stands for Decentralized Accessible Content Chain, which was founded in 2017, and investment was led by more than 100 global names, including Justin Sun. It received the support of more than 100 global investment institutions and has a highly active community around the world. It's going to integrate cross-chain atomic trading. They also have plans for token lending, derivative issuance, and liquidity mining. This thing is crazy, bro. I really like this product. Endorsed by the top investments institution, DAO, KNC, and SNX on the Tron ecosystem. Product V1 has been deployed, and the on-chain DAO as the core integrated cross-chain atomic transactions, KNC oracles, and similar to the Kyber network. And you can see Justin Sun definitely invested in this company with Tron. Now this is high speculation. This coin could actually go to zero. We do not know. Remember, high risk. Only risk 1% of your portfolio per trade on any given trade. I believe the market cap is so small and they have just enough tech to get you interested in this. So I think it can definitely get to at least 1/10 of a penny or 2/10 of a penny, which is a 10x. If it gets to 2 pennies, that's going to be 100x for this coin. So imagine that, 100xing only at 2 pennies. And then imagine if it went even further. Maybe you could 1000x on this coin. You never know. So DACC on Kucoin is the last one I'm going to put on your guys' radar. So that's the end of the video. I want you guys to go over to Kucoin and check it out. I wanted to put Kucoin on your radar. Make it one of your top exchanges because I'm telling you, you will love Kucoin. These 5 coins all have huge potential to break even higher to the upside. Now, some of them already have started to make a move, but that does not mean they don't have way more to go. I'm honing in on Kucoin for the next few weeks, and I'm going to be finding gems all the time. If you like this content, you find it educational and extremely helpful and interesting, come check me out. I do a live stream every single morning from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. On the live stream, I go over any coin you ask for. We do super chats, deep dives. I also go over Bitcoin dominance, total 2, give you a good scope of the market, and show you what I'm looking at and what I'm thinking of getting into. I also do one-on-one tutoring and consulting. I can consult you on your portfolio, talk about coins, and let you understand a lot about the crypto space. I can also give you technical analysis tutoring and show you when to buy and sell and why. Both of these sessions will help you so much become more successful in the crypto space. I'll give you all my years of knowledge packed in to a 1-hour session. We'll have a great time. We will laugh. We will smile, but we will learn. Now, if you've been watching me for a while and you've made a killing on all my calls because we keep hitting them day after day, please join my Patreon in the description below. I would love it. We have one tier, $99. Once you join that tier, it gives you access to my trading rooms, an exclusive room for all my Patreons only where they can share ideas and talk, a Uniswap room, a Binance Smart Chain room, a beginner's room, and even the general chat, which is still open to the public if you want to jump on in and feel what it's like to become a crypto lifer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.